Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are up with another video for the series Crochet for Absolute Beginners, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a treble crochet. For that you'll need yarn of your choice. I'm using 100% cotton yarn over here and a hook. I'm using a 3mm size hook for this video. So to begin with, I've made a chain of 10 over here. And now we are going to add 4 more chains to this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we are going to have a total of 14 chains. Now we are going to yarn over twice on a hook, and we are going to insert a hook in the 5th chain. So we are going to leave the first 4 chains and we are going to insert a hook in the 5th chain from the hook, and we'll yarn over and we'll pull through that chain. Now we are going to have a total of 4 loops on a hook. We'll yarn over, pull through 2 of them. Now we'll have a total of 3 loops. We'll again yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and now we'll be left with 2 loops on a hook. Now we'll yarn over and pull through both of them. So this is going to be our first treble crochet. We'll do this once more. We'll yarn over twice, insert a hook in the next chain, we'll pull through from that chain. Now we'll again have 4 loops on a hook. We'll yarn over, pull through 2 of them. We'll again yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, and we'll yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. So this is how a treble crochet looks like. Now we are going to continue doing this in all of the chains. We'll yarn over twice, insert a hook in the next chain, pull through, we'll yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and we'll yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. So a treble crochet is actually 3 times the height of a single crochet stitch. So it's quite a tall stitch, which is why you can complete your projects faster using this stitch. But on the other hand, being a tall stitch, it gives you quite an airy fabric, which means that your fabric is going to have a lot of gaps. So if that is something you don't want, you might want to avoid this stitch. So I'll meet you at the end of this row. Now we are at the end of this treble crochet row, so we'll make a last stitch, and once your treble crochet row is complete, it should somewhat look like this. Now I'm going to make another row of treble crochets on top of this row. So for that we'll have to chain 4. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now we are going to turn our row of treble crochets. Now we'll yarn over twice and we are going to insert a hook in the next chain. So we'll pull through that chain. Now we are going to have 4 loops. We'll yarn over, pull through 2. We'll again yarn over, pull through 2, and we'll yarn over and pull through the rest 2 loops. So this is how we are going to make another row of treble crochets on top of this row. Treble crochet stitch is required to make a starburst granny square. So I'll meet you at the end of this chain. Once complete, it should somewhat look like this. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!